Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Helping Mike. Nearby Share is a feature of Google's mobile and desktop operating systems, Android and Chrome OS that allows data to be transferred via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. It allows the rapid short-range exchange of image, videos, text, contact info, directions, YouTube videos and other data. It was officially released to the general public on August 4, 2020 and the nearby feature is available on Samsung Galaxy Android phone. Now I will show you how to use Nearby Share on Samsung Galaxy devices. See the full video to learn about how to use Nearby Share on any Android devices. Keep watching. At first, I will go to my Samsung phone notification panel. Here, I will find out Nearby Share and tap on Nearby Share. I will tap on Nearby Share and here we can see Nearby Share and here we can see the instructions to share with devices nearby. Turn on Bluetooth, location and Wi-Fi. So we have to enable these three options manually or tap on turn on. Now I will go to my settings and here I will tap on data to change the options. Here I have to select without internet. I will select without internet, then tap on update. Here I will tap on update. Now I will go back to my Nearby Share. Now I will go to my another phone to share the files and I have to do the same settings. For this I will go to my quick notification panel of this phone. Here I will tap on Nearby Share and here I will tap on gear icon settings to do the same settings. I will tap on data to change the settings of data. Here I will select without internet, then tap on update. Now I will tap on back icon. Now I will go to my Samsung phone. Here I have to tap on turn on to turn on the Bluetooth location and Wi-Fi. So at first I will tap on turn on my Samsung Galaxy phones to enable Nearby Share. Now I will tap on OK to turn on Nearby Share. Now I'll tap on turn on, then tap on OK. The Nearby Share is enabled. Now I will go to my Samsung phone and here I will send a picture to the Android phone. I will select a photo, then tap on share icon in the below and here we can see Nearby Share icon. I will tap on Nearby Share icon. I will tap on it and here we can see the device icon. I will tap on device icon Mi Note 7 Pro and here I will tap on accept to the Android phone. Here you can see accept option. I will tap on accept and the file is sending to the Android phone. Here we can see the file is successfully sent to this phone and here we can see the same pictures and we can see the both picture on the phone. If we check the details of the picture, we will see the same details of the phone. Here you can see the details information of both pictures and the quality is also same and the details is same. Now I will send a video to these devices. I will select a video, then tap on share icon and here I will tap on Nearby Share. You can see Nearby Share icon and here I will go to my Nearby Share and here we can see the device icon. I will tap on the device icon and here we can see the accept pop-up notification. Here I will tap on accept to accept the sharing files. Here you can see the file is sharing. Here we can see sending and receiving. Samsung phone is sender and Mi phone is receiver. Here we can see the file is sharing rapidly. After the sharing is complete, we will see that the blue circle is complete. Here you can see the file is complete. Here I will open the file with open with. Here I have to select options. I will select the folder options to keep the files on the folder. Here I have to select a folder, and here I have to keep the files. After copying, we see the same video resolutions and details. Here we can see the same video is received by Nearby Share. If we check the details of the video, we will see the same details and same resolutions, same size and other info. So I will tap on the video to see the details of the quality, and if you check the video quality, you will see the same size. Now I will go back to my Nearby Share. Now I will share a photo from my Android phone to Samsung phone. For this, I will go to my Nearby Share on Samsung Galaxy phones, and now I will go back to my gallery to my Android phone, and here I will select a picture from my gallery to send the file. Here I will tap on the sender icon to send the file. Here in the video we can see the Nearby Share options. I will tap on Nearby Share to send the files on my Galaxy phone. Here I will select the device, you can see, and here I will find accept notification. Here I will tap on accept, and here we can see the picture is sending, and the picture is successfully sent on my Samsung Galaxy phone. Now I will open this picture, and here if we check the details of the picture, we will see the same details of the both pictures. So I will tap on the details icon to see the details of the pictures. I will tap on details, and here my Samsung phones, I will tap on details. Here we can see the same details info of this both pictures. So in this way we can use Nearby Share in this way, and follow this video. You can share any pictures, any video, any files by Nearby Share from Android phone to Android phone and Samsung phone to Samsung phone by using Nearby Share. So viewers, hope this video will help you how to use Nearby Share in your Samsung Galaxy Android phone and any other Android phone. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up and share the video with your friends who want to know how to use Nearby Share on their Samsung Galaxy Android phone and any Android phone. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.